Let me clear up something right away. If you want to make money online, but you don't want an agency, you don't want to freelance forever, and you definitely don't want to build software from scratch, then this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through step by step how to set up your own software business using GoHighLevel in a way that actually makes sense and works. People are burnt out, businesses are overwhelmed, and everyone has too many tools and not enough follow up. But here's the thing that hasn't changed: businesses still pay for leads and they still lose a lot of money when nobody responds fast enough. The gap between interest and response is where opportunity lives. This isn't about building software because it sounds cool. I want to make some money. It's about building a system that handles money making conversations automatically for business owners that will pay you handsomely. When I say your own software business, I want to be really clear. You're not coding, you're not hiring developers, and you're not building an app from scratch. You're building something much simpler. You're taking an existing platform, branding it as your own, and selling access and setup and support to businesses for a monthly fee. The platform handles the update, the infrastructure, the features. You handle the system, the outcome, and the relationship. That's the business model. This is where most people lose momentum. So I want you to listen closely. Before you touch anything inside of GoHighLevel, you need one clear container. Your container is simply this: I help businesses stop missing leads and I follow up automatically. And that's it. If you skip this and jump straight into features, you're going to overwhelm yourself and confuse your prospects. Every decision you make from here on out should answer one question: does this help a business owner respond faster? If the answer is no, ignore it for now. Right now, you can go ahead and log in, clear out your cookies. Use my link in the description right now. You'll start with the agency level account, which is going to be able to help you brand your software as your own. And your first setup is very basic: add your business name, your logo, set up your custom domain, and choose your brand colors. That's it, just cosmetic. And if you want to learn more about how to set up all of that step by step, I have a free training and the link is in the description. Just use my 30-day trial for the software. You get a free access for 30 days and my training. The moment your software looks like your software, you're going to stop thinking like a user and start thinking like an owner. That mindset shift is huge. That mind shift matters so much more than any of the features. Okay. So now let's talk about the only system. You don't need the full CRM build. You do not need 20 workflows. You need one system that does this. Number one, a lead comes in, an instant text goes out. Follow up continues automatically. The business gets notified. A conversation or an appointment happens. That's it. Say this loud and clear while you build. This needs to work, not impress. Businesses don't care how fancy it is. They don't want to see 20 workflows and all these lines going on. They care that it makes them money, right? You're not selling GoHighLevel. You are selling faster response times, fewer missed opportunities, less stress, more booked calls. The software is just the delivery vehicle. When you understand that selling becomes calm instead of awkward, that's it. Pricing. Now let's talk about pricing. Pricing does not need to be complicated. Most people do best with a very simple and optional setup fee, a monthly subscription. That's it. Don't have to have 4 different packages or anything like that. Businesses already understand subscriptions, and that's why this model works. You can charge anywhere from 97, 297, 497 a month. Next step. Let me be clear about who this is for. This is great for beginners, burnt out freelancers like I've been, was people who want reoccurring revenue. Separate your software business from your consulting if you have experience. People who like systems. This is not, let me tell you who this is not for. People who are looking for instant money, people who hate learning tools, people who are chasing shortcuts, get rich quick. This is not a get rich quick scheme. This is boring business model, but profitable energy. And that's the whole point. The biggest mistake people make is waiting for everything to be perfect before offering this, having to learn every single feature. That will never happen. They build, they tweak, they overthink it, and then they never charge it. They don't put a buy button on it. This is very simple. Your first goal is not to scale. Your first goal is one system and one paying client, hopefully two, to be able to pay your subscription. Momentum beats perfection every time. If you want to follow along with this setup, the platform I'm using is in the link below. Right. Start your free trial, build one simple system, ignore everything else. Blinders on right now. That's how this becomes real. This isn't about software. It's about building a container that holds money consistently for you. Once you have that, everything else gets so much easier. Again, grab your free trial in the description below. You get access to my free training and a private mastermind and all my bonuses. All right. Thanks for watching this video. Much love and aloha, and I'll see you on the inside.